Hi everyone, I'm Dr Julie Lindsay. I'm based at the University of Southern Queensland in Australia. I want to talk to you about building digital bridges, from possibility to partnership, and how important it is for us to come together to ideate and collaborate and see what we can do to improve not only learning, but the world in general. I do a lot of work with artificial intelligence these days, and I've been thinking lately, what if we've been asking the wrong question about AI in education? Over the last 2 years, there has been an amazing impact of AI in learning and teaching, or on learning and teaching. And once we've got past the main sort of fear factor, there's still this doubt, this niggling doubt as to the role of AI. And are we asking the wrong question? What is the right question? We keep asking, will AI replace humans? When perhaps we should be asking, how will AI help us become more human? Now, there are two terms here. Artificial intelligence, which is the simulation of human-like intelligence by machines. That's the term that we're used to. But I put it to you that perhaps we should really be calling this collective intelligence. And by that, I mean the enhanced capacity that emerges when people and technology collaborate to solve problems, create knowledge, or innovate together. Let's think about what we're doing with AI and collective intelligence that does actually lead us more towards the collaborative mode. If we're defending against the future, then perhaps we're providing a more fear-based approach to thinking about AI or collective AI, okay? If we think that AI is going to replace us, AI is going to impact student academic integrity, we're trying to avoid that. It becomes quite a negative position. But if we look at using AI to design the future and have a more positive approach, this leads to more creative leadership around AI. And basically, I guess my position is we're not here to defend against the future. We're here to design it and to use our creative leadership to embrace AI, integrate AI, explore AI, and move ahead with learning and teaching. Another question, when did we decide that efficiency matters more than humanity? From that, I mean, we need to think about moving from AI for content delivery to AI for creative collaboration. So content delivery, okay, it's efficient. We, as educators, we use it as a tool as well. It makes us more efficient. But what about the humanity side and the creative collaboration possibilities? And of course, just to reiterate this, the key differences, content delivery, where AI serves information to us and to students, compared with that creative collaboration where AI works with students to create something new or works with us as a collaborative partner. That's what I call the more humane approach to using AI. I have another question for you. What if learning wasn't bound by location, but by connection? I've been thinking about this for a number of years, and in the book I wrote in 2016 called The Global Educator, based on my research of globally collaborative educators, I coined this term called cosmogogy. Now, of course, it comes from the Greek word cosmos, meaning world or universe, and the gogy bit, which is also Greek, meaning leading or teaching, because, we know pedagogy is a word that we use all the time. But cosmogogy really means the method and practice of learning while connected with the world, using, of course, digital technologies, because that's how we connect with the world now. And the context of learning is with rather than about. So when we talk about global collaborative learning and joining our students together at whatever age or whatever level, it's not about a show and tell. It's not about, this is what I'm doing. This is what our country looks like. Here's a kangaroo. Here's a reindeer, if you're in Finland, for example. It's about coming together and sharing knowledge and co-creating something new together. So from this, I'm now developing this cosmogogy learning ecosystem. And there are 3 domains in this: human, AI, and world. Now, it's really important that we understand this dynamic interplay between these 3 domains, or that we start to integrate this thinking into our design of learning, into the design of teaching, in fact, and even design of assessment for students. So the human domain, of course, learners, educators, global communities, and then the AI partnership or AI domain is looking at the enhancement that AI provides, the co-creation opportunities, the augmentation of us as humans. And the world domain, well, we have authentic challenges, real-time data, cultural dimensions, and this is just the start of a long list for each of the domains. Coupled with this is what I call the human AI world mindset, because I do think that connecting with the world, collaborating with the world, and learning with rather than just about does take a particular mindset. And there are 4 attributes in this mindset: connection, the willingness to build relationships across boundaries; openness, receptivity to human and artificial intelligence; autonomy, which is that self-direction and independence, having that independence to do this, because in some institutions, people don't have independence. And then, of course, innovation, creating new solutions through hybrid intelligence. I'm really excited about the rise of AI chatbots and AI agents, and I've been working a lot in this area, designing agents that will act as or become equal partners in global collaborative learning. And I think this is important. Once again, it's an important perspective to have of AI, as I've mentioned, that it's not just there to give us the right answers or to rewrite our essay, that these agents can be built, the personas can be designed to provide that support for a globally collaborative team that essentially works asynchronously because of time zones. And the AI can not just project manage, but keep the whole thing together for the length of the project. Collaborate and create. That's the key message here. So my call to action is make this work for you. Don't be isolated in your institution or in your community without any external influence, external partnership, external opportunity for your students. Build bridges, make partnerships, and make things possible. Thank you.